Thank you for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing right now. Jedi had something to say to everybody. Are you ready for tummy time? What? No, it's tummy time. She's good. Yeah, she's on her stomach. No, she just burped. Okay, well, all right. Okay. I guess we have to wait for tummy time. Or just tummy time. Wah! But we can do it later?
We can do it, wait for at least 15 minutes.
Oh, we gotta wait 15 minutes. It's kind of like swimming. Well, I don't know what's okay. She didn't come with a manual. I'm just following the directions the doctor gave us. I think she's having just as much fun watching me edit video. It's kind of exciting. She's doing this. But then when I try to give her a binky, she doesn't want that. Yeah, I don't get it. High five. Oh, do you see that? Yeah, that was your first high five. Hun, she gave me a high five. Good job. Another high five. Yeah, that counted. It kind of came the back way, but it was still a high five because you raised your arm high and then you touched my hand and then magic happened. It sure sounds like Mommy's blowing it in there. Her hair. Ow. I think I've got a zit behind my ear. Is it possible to get a zit behind your ear? Because I think that just happened to me.
Let me see. Ow. I'll pop it.
No! I'm rubbing it because it's sore. Is it a zit?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, man.
Oh, maybe it's a spider bite. Oh, yeah, it's very red.
Ow.
Do you want me to pop it?
No.
It looks like a spider bite.
You're not a professional spider bite person. Ow.
You want me to try popping it?
No! Ow!
I think we're gonna have to take it off. It looks like she's wearing a scarf.
Which one of you wants to go potty, and which one of you wants to go hang out in the bushes? Well, I'm not saying you have to go. You can go right in your pants. Okay, maybe she wants to go outside then. All right. Who am I to say that she can't go outside? If she wants to go outside, she can go outside. God, Pixie just clipped herself there on the corner. Oh, Pixie's really got to go. Although I think she wants to go because she heard Mommy's hair thingy squeak. On your mark, get set, let her go. I'm out of coffee rations, so I've got to pick up more, and Diana needs a super extra large sugar, non-fat, whatever.
Everything is coffee! Everything is good when Chris gets his coffee! Everything is coffee!
But my friend, I left so early, surely something slipped my mind. I forgot Diana's beverage, now she'll kick my behind. So I turned around and went back, and I got the biggest one. I could barely fit it in the car, but I am going home.
You didn't like that one when I got it for you the last time.
I know, it grew on me.
Ugh. I can't see you right now because Wicket's furry butt is in the way. Hey, Wicket. I was vlogging your mom. It seems we are trapped in the middle of a staring contest. I win. Why is he doing this? He's perched, but it's like he wants something from me. I don't have anything. You don't drink coffee. Or whatever Diana orders. He appears to be fascinated with my armpit.
Maybe he's protecting Jedi.
What the hell's he doing?
I don't know.
Why can't you be more like your sister? She's very lamp-like. I don't have anything. Do I smell like a coffee shop?
He's trying to see if it's really you.
Oh, it's me. Can I help you with anything? I feel so used.
Do not worry about getting a real Christmas tree this year because you have me. And I am made from real wood, so it's close enough. I also smell a bit like pine. Or poo. One of the two. I don't know. I can't smell very well. I'm made of wood. But no need to buy a tree. I'm it. Okay? Okay. It's alright? It's alright.
Hun? I think we got a psychotic nutcracker this year.
Hey, put me down. Hey, I'm your tree. You don't treat a tree like this, and are you going to give me a solid accent or what?
I got a little sarcastic on Twitter yesterday. It was in the morning. I hadn't had my coffee yet, but that's no excuse. Sometimes you gotta know, I feel really human, which some people perceive as a weakness. Honey?
Yeah?
Let's do something fun. I have no idea. We could build a snow fort, but we don't have snow. Ooh, I got an idea. Let's rearrange the pillows in the front room. I think I'm just going to put myself into a Baba Ganoush coma. Thank you, Jasmine. This is kind of like my version of ice cream. We should try to make eggplant ice cream.
I don't think we should try to make it.
Okay, you should try to make it.
I don't think I should try to make it either.
Oh, I could just record you all day, sweetheart.
Hey, Mom, if you could tell Jedi to stop hiccuping, that'd be great. She's been interrupting my nap. It's very difficult to do, and even Pixie's a little pooped. And by the way, speaking of poop, there may be a surprise for you and Daddy upstairs somewhere, but I'm gonna let you find it, okay?
How come you only start smiling when I point the camera at you?
Let's tickle her. Tickle, tickle.
How come you only get mad when I point the camera at you?
Stop.
To cap off my weekend, I get to record a time-lapse video of building the Ender Dragon Lego Minecraft set. When I came into the workshop, I turned on my TV and was thrilled to see the Grinch. You know, the cartoon version of the Grinch? Although I like the live-action film as well. Some people didn't.
You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch. But I saw you on TV when I turned it on as I came into the workshop to assemble this. You were there.
It's a perennial favorite. I'll never tire of watching my favorite stories. I love this time of year. What piece do I need? This one? No. This one? Yeah, there we go. Oh, sorry, Steve. Didn't mean to knock you over there. Better? I don't know if I have a favorite Christmas special or holiday special in general. I enjoy them all. They're all different. They're all fun. They all remind me of being a kid. Normally, I might decide to live stream these brick builds with other people, specifically my patrons, but tonight I decided to go at it alone. I'm flying solo, and so far, so good. But at some point in the near future, I plan on live streaming a simultaneous brick build with the same set. So I've picked up a new Star Wars set, and someone else already has the same Star Wars set, and we're going to see who else has the same Star Wars Lego set, and we're all going to put it together in our respective parts of the world online. Simultaneously, in a hangout. I think I'm doing the right thing here.
Thanks for liking, commenting, subscribing, sharing, watching even more of our videos right now, and I think that's it. Right? That's what you say at the end of the video? Huh? Am I wrong? Is that right? Please, someone talk to me. Hello? Hello, some person.
Ow. Ow, that really
really hurts. Ow.
Come back.